Hello, my name is Nate Worrell, and I'm going to be answering a few questions about information usage for my information science intro video. The first question is, what information do I surround myself with? One type of information that I surround myself with is news, current events, and politics. Um, I like reading about international affairs, and I've been following the news out of the Middle East recently, for example. I also like to keep up to date with tech news. Another type of information I like to surround myself with is sports, um, including stories and updates from soccer, basketball, and football. For example, I just read a story about how the U.S. men's national team coach Jurgen Klinsmann has called up Landon Donovan for his last international appearance before he retires later this year. Another type of information is social media. I do surround myself with that type of information occasionally, and I also surround myself with information about the IT field, for example, databases and computer languages and that type of thing. The second question: where does my information come from? I get my news from a variety of sources, chief among them New York Times, Wall Street Journal, Washington Post, Politico. I access this type of information digitally, um, whether it be from apps on my iPhone or online with my computer. If I'm looking for tech news, I'll go on websites like CNET, or I might just search a question into Google search. I also receive this type of information strictly through digital means. As far as sports go, I get my sports almost exclusively from ESPN, whether it be online or through TV. But I also receive sports information from other sources like programming, sports programming on other channels, or articles I see online. I get my social media information through Facebook. That's the only social media platform that I use. And information about IT I receive in the classroom at FSU or through digital or paper textbooks and online. Um, Third question: how do I think information affects my behavior? I think some of the information that I receive does affect my behavior. For example, information on Facebook might cause me to waste many hours of my time doing nothing. On the other hand, on the other end of the spectrum, information about IT might cause me to take a course at FSU that I wasn't planning on taking if I hear something that I didn't know before. For example, I was exposed to the Java programming language last semester, and that's made me want to take another course in Java and learn more about it and gather more information about that subject. What do I think an information professional is, and what do they do? My idea of an information professional is someone who can efficiently search for, locate, and process information in a manner that is useful to that organization.